house over in Hazelwood, and I thought I'd just talk to you all about, you know, when you're considering whether to keep a kitchen, replace a kitchen, or do some light kitchen updates. So the property we're at today is going to be a rental for a couple borrowers of ours, and this kitchen in particular, you'll notice it's smaller. Obviously, several appliances are missing, but for a rental, honestly, these look like they're in pretty good condition. You'll notice there's no holes, there's no substantial damage. The coloring is actually pretty nice too. So if this were a rental I was to buy, I'd go around, you know, open the cabinets, see what the drawers are like. Obviously, this drawer is missing some rails, so it just kind of flops about. But overall, the cabinets here are in pretty decent shape. The countertop, this one's white, which isn't necessarily everyone's favorite color. There's a little bit of damage to the countertop here, but you can epoxy it and smooth it out. So if you decided to keep the countertop, you could pretty easily fix that and then paint the countertop. On a kitchen this small, I would probably just buy new laminate because it's really not going to cost you that much. And the sink is especially shallow, so it might be nice to spend a few bucks replacing the laminate countertop and having a more usable sink. Those are your kitchen tidbits for the day. Again, I'm Suzanne with FasterFunds Lending. If you would like a loan on your next rehab or rental project, give us a call at 636-223-4262, or feel free to check out our website too at FasterFundsLending.com. Thanks.